NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI Enterprise, plus 63 engines will empower the digital age. The digital age has fundamentally transformed how governments, enterprises, industries, and societies operate. Data is expanding exponentially, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, regulations are evolving rapidly, and decision-making demands unprecedented speed and accuracy. Organizations that rely solely on conventional technologies often struggle to manage this growing complexity. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI Enterprise, powered by its integrated architecture of 63 specialized AI engines, is designed to address these modern challenges by delivering intelligent governance, automation, transparency, resilience, and continuous innovation. The foundation of NeuroGov Plus lies in its ability to convert massive volumes of structured and unstructured data into actionable intelligence. Rather than simply collecting information, its intelligence engines continuously analyze trends, detect patterns, generate predictive insights, and recommend optimal decisions. This enables executives, policymakers, and operational teams to make evidence-based decisions with greater confidence while significantly reducing uncertainty. One of the greatest strengths of the NeuroGov Plus ecosystem is enterprise-wide intelligent automation. The 63 engines collaborate across business functions to automate repetitive tasks, orchestrate complex workflows, optimize resource utilization, and improve operational efficiency. Human professionals remain in control of strategic thinking while AI manages routine execution, allowing organizations to increase productivity, reduce operational costs, and accelerate service delivery. Cybersecurity and digital resilience have become mission-critical priorities in today's interconnected world. NeuroGov Plus incorporates dedicated engines for continuous threat monitoring, cyber risk assessment, anomaly detection, resilience planning, and incident response. By identifying vulnerabilities before they become critical issues, the platform helps organizations strengthen security while ensuring uninterrupted business continuity and digital trust. Governance is another defining capability of the NeuroGov Plus architecture. The governance, ethics, compliance, and audit engines establish transparent AI decision-making, enforce regulatory compliance, maintain policy consistency, and provide complete audit trails. This governance-first approach ensures that AI systems remain responsible, explainable, accountable, and aligned with organizational values as well as national and international regulatory frameworks. Innovation is sustained through continuous learning and adaptation. Unlike static software platforms, NeuroGov Plus employs adaptive learning mechanisms that allow its engines to evolve with changing business environments, emerging technologies, customer expectations, and regulatory updates. This continuous evolution enables enterprises to remain competitive while fostering innovation across products, services, operations, and strategic initiatives. Customer and citizen experience also benefit significantly from the integrated intelligence provided by NeuroGov Plus. Personalized interactions, predictive service delivery, multilingual communication, knowledge management, and intelligent support systems enhance satisfaction while improving accessibility and inclusiveness. The platform enables organizations to deliver faster, smarter, and more responsive digital services across both public and private sectors. Another important contribution of NeuroGov Plus is its enterprise-wide integration capability. The 63 engines function as a unified intelligence ecosystem rather than isolated AI components. They seamlessly connect data sources, enterprise applications, governance frameworks, financial systems, operational platforms, and external digital ecosystems. This holistic integration eliminates information silos, improves collaboration, and enables synchronized decision-making across the organization. Finally, NeuroGov Plus promotes sustainable and responsible digital transformation. By embedding ethical AI principles, environmental awareness, risk governance, human oversight, transparency, and continuous performance measurement into every engine, the platform supports long-term organizational resilience and societal progress. It empowers enterprises to embrace innovation while maintaining trust, accountability, and sustainable growth in an increasingly digital world. Summary. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI Enterprise, with its integrated architecture of 63 specialized AI engines represents a next-generation enterprise intelligence platform designed for the digital age. It combines intelligent decision support, enterprise automation, governance, cybersecurity, compliance, predictive analytics, innovation, customer-centric services, and responsible AI into a unified ecosystem. By transforming complex digital challenges into strategic opportunities, NeuroGov Plus enables organizations to become smarter, more agile, secure, transparent, and future-ready while supporting sustainable digital transformation across industries and governments. Power Summary: NeuroGov Plus 63 Engines is more than an AI platform. It is an enterprise intelligence ecosystem built for the digital age. It unifies intelligence, governance, automation, ethics, cybersecurity, compliance, innovation, resilience, and continuous learning into a single integrated architecture. By empowering organizations to make faster decisions, manage risks proactively, automate operations responsibly, and innovate sustainably, NeuroGov Plus establishes the foundation for a smarter, safer, trusted, and AI-governed digital future. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the conceptual architect behind the AI Mind and NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI Enterprise, vision. His work focuses on integrating artificial intelligence, enterprise governance, digital transformation, intelligent automation, cybersecurity, ethics, compliance, strategic decision intelligence, and responsible AI into unified enterprise architectures. Through the development of the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus framework, he advocates an approach where AI serves not only as a technology platform but also as a governance-driven ecosystem that enhances transparency, accountability, resilience, innovation, and sustainable growth. His vision emphasizes building trustworthy AI systems that empower governments, enterprises, and society to navigate the opportunities and challenges of the digital age with confidence and responsibility. Thank you for watching the video. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.